What's up, babes? I wanted to drop in really quickly and show you guys some of the changes on the website, and also to announce that our giveaway is now officially live. It's active. You can go over to www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog and you can read all of the details on how to enter, how to win prizes, the official giveaway conditions and rules. Also, how to become a member. You will have to be a member in order to participate. You can sign up for the free membership, the Demi Goddess Gang. That way you can see how to win prizes and everything like that. And then if you want to actually enter the giveaway, then you will go ahead and upgrade to Elite Goddess Gang so that you can participate in the giveaway. All of the details are there. I tried my best to make sure I didn't forget anything, so if you guys notice that I forgot something, just let me know. But in the meantime, this is the official announcement that our giveaway is now active. There is a time frame, or more or less a deadline for entries. It is on the 8th, I believe. So just double check everything, but be sure to enter as quickly as you can if you want to participate. But be sure to read all of the conditions, everything. I'm going to slow this part of the video down so that you guys can read what each of the memberships include. Well, I probably won't slow it down. Go over to my blog site so that you can read it all there. But here I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a snippet of everything. Once you do register for your Demigoddess membership, then you can access the Demigoddess Gang homepage and so on and so forth with the other ones. Here is the members login screen so that you can log in and everything like that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Drop some comments and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.